What's up, guys? And in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to jailbreak your iOS 10 through iOS 13.3 devices using Windows or Mac in a way that you don't have to have it connected to a computer every time you restart. So let's get right into it. Okay, so we're on the computer, and step one is you're going to open up your internet browser right here. And you're going to want to go to AltServer.io, and it's going to bring you up to this website that says, "Welcome to AltStore, a home for apps that push the boundaries of iOS." And you'll get all that sort of stuff, and you have that for both Windows and Mac, so whatever you want to do. And just click download. So then you download the file however you do it. If you have a download manager, I don't know, and you'll have the file downloaded. So then what you should do is go to whatever folder that downloads to, and you'll see the alt installer zip file, and you just have to double click it. You don't even have to extract it, and just open up the setup.exe. Since I already have it installed, it says repair or remove, so I'm not going to do that. But just go through the installation process, and then if you open up the if you go in your start menu and search alt, and it'll come up AltServer, and if you open up that in your tray, you'll have this basically invisible for dark mode, but it's there. It's like this little icon, and if you click it, then you will see these options: install AltStore, all that good stuff. So that means you have that done correctly. So then we're going to download another resource, which is the Alt Patcher. And this I'm just looking up on Google, but I'll link it down below. And just download that however you do. So then you're going to go back into your downloads folder. It'll download the simple application called AltServerPatcher.exe, no installation required. So just open that up. Okay, so now you want to take your USB cable connected to your PC or Mac, if you're doing this on a Mac, and just connect your iOS device to the computer. And so iTunes will open up, but you can close it. Now it'll ask you for the exact path. So then what you're going to need to do is find out wherever you installed the AltServer from before. In my case, it's under here and under new folder. So then you have this path here, which for me is D:/, and you have to type all this stuff. D:/. Again, the path is going to be different for you. New folder / and then you actually have to type in the file name as well, not just the folder. So you type in AltServer.exe and hit the enter key. And then you'll get this sort of thing, except it'll look like this. And so this is basically our tool to get to the jailbreak. So from this drop-down menu, you want to select Uncover with the 0, just like that, and click Patch. And so it's going to do all this stuff. It says AltServer has been patched. To install that IPA file, make sure you uninstall any other applications installed with AltServer for best results. So now that that's patched, you'll see in your tray that the AltServer is not open anymore, so we're just going to reopen the AltServer. And so basically what the AltServer patcher did is it configured the AltServer to install the Uncover jailbreak on your phone or iPad or whatever. So then you're going to click on this, hover over AltStore. And the cool thing about the AltServer is it actually works if you are on the same network or Wi-Fi as your computer. but it just works faster when you do it with USB, so that's just what I do. But it'll show all the iOS devices on your network or connected to USB, so then just simply select your device, and here you're going to need to sign in with your Apple ID, so you just type in your Apple ID and your Apple ID password. So let me do that real quick. And of course, make sure your iOS device is powered on and unlocked. And just wait. It says installing AltServer to whatever your device's name is. So then it looks like nothing's going on the actual computer. But all you have to do is don't touch your phone. I mean, unless it's going to sleep mode. Just make sure your phone remains unlocked. Don't use it. And make sure your computer is just not used. Just wait a while. It could take a couple minutes. It completely depends. And this is why I recommend using the USB cable, because this method is a lot quicker. Although if you do want to do it over Wi-Fi, you definitely can. Okay, so then you see that notification, installation succeeded, AltServer was successfully installed on your device. And just scroll to your last page of apps, and you'll see there, Uncover. It's just an app. So just tap that, and it says untrusted developer, and just click cancel. So what we need to do now is go into our settings. So click on settings and click general, scroll down and hit profiles and device management. Now you'll see this thing that you won't have this iOS 13 blah blah blah. I'm just in the beta program. What you will see though is this. It will say your Apple ID email address. So just tap on that and click the button that says trust and whatever your thing is. And you get another pop-up, just click trust. Then, now when this says delete app, you can go back to your home screen and scroll to the Uncover app and just open that right up. So now you'll see this. It's pretty weird, but you want to tap this gear on the top right corner just to make sure you are getting all the features of Jailbreak. And basically don't touch anything except when you go down here, there's something that says reinstall Cydia. So just tap that so that it's switched on and then click done. Then all you have to do is press the button that says Jailbreak and it will go through a bunch of stuff here. Then it says Jailbreak completed, click OK, and your device is going to turn off. So just wait a second and don't power it back on. It's going to restart all by itself. So just let it turn off. Okay, so now my device is powering back on and everything seems normal. If you guys, okay, so now you see my lock screen is a bit different. You guys won't have this. I've just jailbroken in the past and I have like all these widgets and the way my apps move is different and stuff. But it will look all the same for you guys. And right here, I actually moved it into a folder. But you guys will see an app called Cydia that will look like this. So just tap that and open it. And this is Cydia, guys. So this is the jailbroken sort of app loader thing. You can add all sorts of widgets and stuff. So I highly recommend you check out other videos or websites and stuff that will show you how to do that. But basically, every time you restart the device, all you have to do is open this app and just click re-jailbreak after you restart the device. Because every time you restart, it will un-jailbreak your phone. But as soon as you re-jailbreak it, all your widgets and stuff that you installed will be saved. As you can see, I have that and, you know, all my jailbroken features. So I hope this video helped you guys that wanted to jailbreak on iOS 13. This does go back a couple versions, and it goes up to 13.3, so that should support all of the official iOS releases. I think it goes back to iOS 10. So I hope this video helped you. And yeah, see you guys next time. Peace out.